This 511 Freeweigh remote is actually broken. If you listen, it's got the rattle of doom. You can see that it's got a signal in the bottom left hand corner. However, once we go further away, that signal is going to disappear. What you see here is the faulty transmitter on the left with the rattle, and on the right one that we've repaired. We're just going to start walking further away from the Land Rover, which has got the antenna on that's transmitting to these. I'm going to start walking backwards, and you'll see on the left hand side the indicator for the aerial just disappearing. It's going in and out. We'll walk a little bit further away and it'll disappear completely. There we go. So we're going to now demonstrate how far away we can go with the repaired one. Left hand side's the faulty one and rattles still, and it's got no aerial signal. On the right hand side you can see that it's got aerial signal full strength in the bottom left hand corner. To give you an idea of how far away we are, there's the Land Rover right down there, which has got the weigh cell system on it. So it's about 60 metres and we've actually ran out of field, so that's pretty good reception and range.